In this video we will see how to edit shifts using the weekly and daily view. In the weekly view, select the employee and the day for the shift you want to edit. You can edit the shift's start time, end time or function accordingly. Once done, click on Save Changes button below. The changes made will be reflected on the schedule. In order to edit shift from daily view, select the required day from top. Select the employee shift by holding left mouse button and dragging it across to change its timing. The changes made will be reflected on the schedule. You can also edit the selected shift by clicking on it once. Similarly, edit the shift's start time, end time or function accordingly and click on Save Changes below.